Okay, video.
Ano?
Straight lang ha. Pwede na, hindi na punitan yung ilong. Akala, straight lang. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Alam kita. Dito na. Umatago na.
Abang na natin. Kaya, 1, 2, 3. Go.
Yawan.
Yawan mo. Yawan man sila ngayon. Yawang mama. Tugang mama. Duha ma'am. Okay. Ate, 1 ba? Okay. Pwede na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yot. Go. Okay. Layo-layo lang mama. Dito.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Unlimited lagi. So guys, that was our first jump. And then we want more.
Okay, this way.
Makatawa ka kung Joseph. Atay, di ka Go Yayab! Go Yayab! Woo! Anay? So that was our second jump. And it was 6 feet. Joseph. Ay, ginoo ko. Kaya na dong.
Ay, ma'am. Ay, ma'am. Abangan natin, ma'am. Okay. Ingay mo natin. Walang yung bato.
Oh.
Sayang ang bato. Matasdan.
Thank you. Siyawa, uy. Ginoo ko. Tabi berbejag. Pura bejag. Ginoo ko, aray. Yes! Aray, nasangit na ko. Ay, makatawa man ko. Ay! Alegriha.
Okay, picture mo na. Okay, picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Aray, kabilat. I can't get over. Ay, sama ka?
Wait.
Aray, bilat. Ang panas, julitan eh. Baby! We'll play. I always remember this way. Lovers in the night. Tinawa sa tubig. Uy, pero yan. Pwede na magpa-slide ya? Mabaw na? Ah, sige. Pwede mo paubos? Aw. Hanggang sa ubos mo ilaw.
Larga. Mana dah aku kayo ni ha? Uno.
Dos!
Dos.
Tres!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jump. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Jump. Hold your ball!
Hold your ball! Kita gitog na be. Ada?
No, was it good?
Oh my god! So nice here guys. Oh. Huh?
Hold your ball!
Ay, mo na yan. Ay, di sa lang bukat tara. Wow, ala ya. Yan.
Ah, okay.
Mukha lang rock.
Libot ko, libot.
project. Sige, thank you.
Hey guys, so this is the end of our trip, the end of our canyoneering trip. So it was fun. And what can you say to Kataytay?
It's so enjoyable, guys. It's spectacular experience, guys.
How about you?
What for you feel?
Lindot kayo, dili sayang. Balagadlok.
Basta
Basta mulayat.
Malagad basta din basta mulayat.
Basta mulayat. Layat to nang ginutan.
Dili dyan mulili. Dili mulili. Aray ko. Yeah, so it was so fun. Time check. What time is it now? Punto na guys. So init siya. Pero dili siya mag-matter kay we are in the water and we had fun, so wala nala init. How about you, Yevsky?
I want more.
You want more? Yeah, it was fun. Yes, guys.
Kulang na half day na.
Kulang half day. We can stay longer. We can do more layat, but we choose to go on just because we have another trip. And so thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Anne from the Luix. And if you wanna book, if you wanna come and do canyoneering activity, I will put the link or their page, and down below I will put their link so that you can connect with them to the oh my god, look at the view. Look at the view. Yes, look at the view. Ayan. So thank you guys for watching.
Bye-bye.
Till next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Humanamig layat. Isog na kayo si Joseph.